Managed to actually wash the tractor last night. She's looking pretty clean. The old Kubota. She cleans up not bad after all the abuse I put it through. I also finally painted the stack pipe, as you can see. It looks much nicer. I've been meaning to do that for a while now. I just haven't had the time to do it. So, yeah, now that I got it all cleaned up again, I guess it's time to make it muddy. Today I'm going out to do a driveway job. A lady got some millings delivered, and she had them tailgated out, but the guy didn't do a very good job tailgating them because there's a power line up above the driveway, so he couldn't do a very good job. So it's real concentrated in one area, and it's really high, and then in other areas, it's just all lumpy and bumpy, so I got to distribute it out, smooth it out. I'm going to knock down the high spots, and she also has a big pile of stone that got plowed into her flower beds over the winter time, so she wants me to drag that back out and spread that out, and I got to rake her lawn and that kind of thing. So yeah, it should be a pretty good job. I was going to grease the tractor this morning, but I really don't have time because they're calling for rain later this afternoon. So I really don't want to waste my time here greasing. I just need to get it loaded up so I can get over there and get to work. Side of the road. There ain't a whole lot of room in that driveway. Okay, well here we are on a beautiful day we got today. About 70, 75 degrees out, nice and warm. I'll show you guys the driveway here. Okay, so as you can see here, she got a bunch of millings. She got them tailgated out of here. She just wanted to have it on this right hand side because she didn't know how much the guy was going to bring her. I guess she got him for a good deal or knew somebody or something. But you could see he backed up here and dumped it. And over here you can see all the lumps and bumps. So there's a bump here, a bump here, a bump here. It just goes up and down. The big pile right here. So he tailgated it the best he could, but it definitely needs to be spread out. It's super high in through here. She's really high up over here, and all the water every time it rains is running down into her porch. She understands that to do it right, she would have had to rip all this rock out and redo the base to get it down lower. So I told her I'll just knock it down as much as I can over here, and then I'm just gonna spread it as far as I can. I'm thinking she has enough here to cover this whole driveway, even on this side, but she wants me to worry about just this main stretch first. And then I told her if I have anything left over, I'll start moving it over here. Now here's the pile of stone that got pushed into her flower beds from the winter plowing. There's a big pile here. It got pushed all the way up past these rocks into her flower bed. So I'm gonna pick these rocks up and move them, try to back drag all this into a nice little neat pile, and then I'll spread it out. There's quite a bit of stone in the lawn. I'll have to rake that out. But yeah, aside from that, that's pretty much it. Knocking this down, spreading it out, And at the end, I'm gonna back drag a bunch of this and spread this out. Actually, you know what? I think I'm gonna start with this first. And then that way, if I have any of this new stone that gets spread this way, it'll go on top of the old stone. Because she said she wants it to try to blend it in and match. So I think I'll start with this. to get that AC going. So this is what it turned out like. Really turned out nice. It was in real bad shape. I was able to knock down all them high spots over here. From here forward, it was just mounted right up. I mean, it was so high. So like I told her, and she knew this, it's still gonna be a little high up above her driveway here, above her carport, but she knows that. They have to all be dug out and, you know, completely redone. So given what she had and what money she had to work with, this is perfectly fine. So I got all the stone raked out for the most part out of her flowers here. I set the rocks back up the way she had them. Raked the lawn out the best I could. Got the edges raked out. Turned out pretty nice. That sun's killing me. All right, guys, well, I hope you enjoyed this video. My next job will be over at Sean's again. I'll be finishing grading out the land that I cleared the other day. So hopefully we can get to that next weekend, because this weekend's about over. Tomorrow's Memorial Day, so I don't think I'm gonna be doing any work tomorrow. So next weekend, Sean's house, and I'll see you guys then. Thanks for watching.